Yeah, I guess this is an update for the Sportster. It's back in my possession, and the top end's completely taken apart at the moment. It needed new gaskets overall because a couple of the rocker boxes were leaking. So I just kept digging and digging and digging, and this is where we're at. We got a whole new gasket set here. Everything is pretty much cleaned and ready to go. I think what I'm going to do for the winter is pull the motor out of the bike, put it here, and install everything inside so that I don't have to worry too much about the snow. But before any of that happens, we are going to Southern California for my cousin Cody's and his soon-to-be wife Lexi's wedding. Yeah, so another road trip in the books. Another delay on the Sporty, but it's coming along. We made it. First stop, mother boba time, bitch. What kind of tea is that?
Got a tiger milk and a taro milk.
And a fruity thing.
The next day.
I'm a fucking idiot. It's my favorite breakfast spot. Chicken and waffles. Everyone already knows what this is. This is nothing special. But it's special to us.
Hey guys, how are you? Thank you.
Of chicken and waffles, baby. Anaheim. The damn vintage mall. Coffee in hand. What'd you get? Foxy Cleopatra. And I got a Gold Rush. Here we are. This is it, right? Yeah.
Rip Paul.
Well, trip over. We're headed home. So long, Southern California. I hate talking to the camera. This will probably be the last time I do this.